Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the KUYIGO men's casual cotton vintage polo shirt. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get this out of its bag, comes with a little bit of information. It is a polo shirt. Show you up close what the fabric looks like. Nice stitching, slight stretch to it. Heavy, not super heavy, but heavier fabric. So be aware of that. Pretty traditional. I got a size large. I'm 6'1", 165 pounds. I am looking for something that doesn't have float away collars, so I think this is going to be good. Buttons look nice, pretty solid. Everything looks really good so far, but I just kind of want to give you an idea on size. So we're going to get this washed up, tried on. Pretty standard on the sleeves, and the bottom is going to be totally flat, just so you know. There's no, sometimes with a polo, you'll have kind of like that cut where the back is longer than the front. This is just straight and does not seem to curl up or anything like that on the side. Just so you know, it should be straight and flat. So like I said, we'll get it washed and then we'll try it on. All right, so very comfortable shirt. It does float a little bit on the collar. It's not the end of the world, but it does have a little bit of a float, as you can probably see. But sometimes you just wear these things a couple times, they break in and they're fine. So overall, the fit and feel is really good. Belly button's here, waist is here, arm length is good. So it's a great looking shirt, pretty standard stuff. So hopefully this review helps. Definitely worth buying. Thanks for watching.